So yun guys, bago natin simulan na aking video, ganito nga pala ako kapayat noon nung wala pang pandemic. Ang timbang ko noon ay 60 kg. Charan, ito nga pala ang naging timbang ko guys nung pagkatapos ng pandemic. Nag 78 kg na ako. Tingnan nyo naman yung pisngi ko, nagsilubuhan na. Yung balikat ko, nagsilakihan sa makatuwid. Tumaba na talaga ako. At kita nyo naman yung bilbil ko dyan. Sobrang laki, parang bola guys. At yung dede ko, parang dede ng babae. Tingnan nyo yung baywang ko. Sobrang laki, hindi ko na matansya kung ilan na yung sukat. Dahil nga sa sobrang pag-aalala ko sa aking sarili, sa sobrang paglobo ko at pagtaba ko, ay nahihirapan akong huminga tuwing natutulog ako sa gabi. Kaya napagdesisyon ako na guys na mag-workout at bawasan ang aking taba. At ito nga guys ang naging resulta after 2 months ng aking pagbabawas ng aking timbang. Sa sobrang kapal nga ng taba na binawas ko ay sobrang nahirapan talaga akong mag-workout dahil nga ay wala tayong coach, mahirap lang tayo, sarili lang nating program ang ating ginagawa. Kung mapapansin nyo ay medyo umukay ng aking bilbil dyan. Kaya naman sinimulan ko ang lahat sa pag-jogging muna upang pag gumawa ko ng mga exercise ay hindi ako hingalin agad at lalakas ang aking stamina. At ginagawa ko ito tuwing wala akong pasok sa trabaho at may vacant time ako, dito ako pumupunta sa sports complex malapit sa amin. So yun guys, sa mga nagtatanong, ito nga palang aking diet. Oatmeal, tinapay at 3 saging. Yan ang kinakain ko tuwing umaga. Samantalang pagtanghali naman, ito ang kinakain ko, 1 cup na kanin, 3 itlog at 1 paksiw na isda. Yun lang aking diet. So yun guys, dumako naman tayo kung paano ako nagsisimulang mag-workout. Nagsisimula ito guys sa pamamagitan ng squats. Mag-warm up muna ako bago ko gagawin yung iba't ibang form ng exercise. At yun, pagkatapos ko nga palang mag-warm up ay nagpo-push up ako. 100 repetition ang ginagawa kong push up. Dalawang klase nga pala ng push-up ang aking ginagawa dito. Isang nakalapat sa baba ng katawan at isang nakahang sa upuan. At pagkatapos ito ay ginagawa ko ng iba't ibang exercise tulad ng
love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up, it's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes.
Fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away. Cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong